Hello mga kapitbahay! Today, I'm going to show you my version of crispy skin fried chicken. I have frozen chicken legs that were thawed overnight in the fridge. Just an advice on thawing chicken or any meat. Do not leave them in room temperature on the counter because we have to maintain the cool temperature to avoid the growth of any harmful microorganism. The temperature danger zone is 5 degrees Celsius to 60 degrees Celsius where bacteria such as Salmonella grows quickly. Salmonella causes food poisoning, vomiting, and diarrhea to people, and Salmonella is commonly found in chicken. So I am beginning to marinate the chicken. 2 tablespoons of fish sauce for each leg. I have 4 legs, so 8 tablespoons of fish sauce. And I also squeeze some lemon juice. Lemon juice is an acid. Acid helps to tenderize the meat, make it soft. So I'm just gonna wash my hands and massage these chicken legs. So I'm just massaging this, and I will keep this in the fridge overnight, and we'll get back tomorrow to cook it. Today is the second day. The chicken was marinated, so we'll begin cooking. So I prepared onion, garlic, peppercorn, and bay leaf. Just waiting for the water to boil, and we're going to put all the ingredients in there. So this is the garlic, sliced onion, some peppercorn, and bay leaf. And we're just gonna wait for them to boil until they're cooked. And we're also going to add some salt in it. We're salting the solution so the chicken won't be bland when it's fried. So while we were waiting for that poaching solution to boil, I'm gonna give you a tour of my microwave venting oven. So just push that part. That's an extension of the vent. I really like this feature that I can just push and extend the vent. And here you can see all the functions. That's a reheat button, cook, and you can cook popcorn. And it's really big inside. And here there's this sticker that shows how to use the microwave if you're going to cook, to preheat, defrost, and some other functions. So that's great. That is my microwave venting oven. Our poaching solution is boiling. If you can just smell it, it smells really good. So we're ready to put the chickens. Okay, we will put the chicken one by one, just uncovering it. Okay, what are you doing? Come on, put it on. Throw it inside. Come on. Okay, one by one. Okay, and we will let it boil for another 15 minutes. 15 minutes, that will be ready. And we'll get back to it. So 15 minutes done, and we're drying for about 30 minutes. After 30 minutes of drying, we're ready to fry. We fry it side by side. Just be careful with the hot oil. There's the splatter. So yeah, we dry it before frying so we can avoid the splatter. And look at that color. It's golden brown. Looks so yummy. We'll just wait for them to cook and we can eat. I am so hungry. Hungry actually. Yes. Cook the other side. Yes, turn it over. Yep, and after this, we're gonna plate and eat. So thank you for watching, and I hope you learned something from my tutorial today. Thank you, and subscribe to my channel. Bye! Mga kapitbahay, let's eat!